Hello, Tisaya here. This is the Western Digital Blue M.2 SSD. Note that this is not an SN550, which is an NVMe drive. This is the regular 3D NAND SATA SSD from the Western Digital Blue brand that you can buy in a 2.5-inch form or the M.2 2280 form factor like this one. From the box, you have some information booklet and then the drive itself, nothing else. To install it, you will have to use the screw that comes along with your motherboard. First is to locate the proper slots from your motherboard. This is the B450 Gaming Pro Carbon from MSI that comes with one slot with a heatsink named M.2 Shield, as you can see. First is to just unscrew the screw and then place it somewhere safe. Some motherboards will have more slots with heatsinks, some have no heatsinks, but that's just fine. It serves the same purpose. The next step is to remove the protective plastic that comes under the heatsink. Here's the drive itself. Remember to not tamper the sticker or else it would void the warranty. Next is to place the drive on the slot, making sure that the sticker side is facing upwards and makes contact with the heatsink. This motherboard came with two M.2 screws. We will use the bigger one as that is the appropriate one for this heatsink. The drive will initially be at this slanted angle. Just gently push the drive and put the heatsink down, then screw it into place. Afterwards, you can use your new SSD. I hope you found that useful. I will also be unboxing this motherboard, this RAM, and other parts of this PC, so make sure you check that out soon. Are you also building the same PC parts? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you next time!